Dungeon Dogs. This is a new game for the channel. Oh man. Alright, so I've never played this game before. I'm excited to play this game. So let's get to it. This is your profile. Here, you can track your progress and customize your captain. Okay. Use the custom menu to find a unique look that you like. There are tons of outfits to choose from. Alright. So, go here, customize. Oh, her eyes. I like that. Alright, let's go to number 1. Oh, I like the blue eyes actually. Number 2. Oh, that's cool. So when she's angry, I think I'm gonna have her in those eyes, and when she's happy, have her in those eyes, and then when she's, yeah, alright, and then those ones, those eyes. Okay, unlocks the, alright, what is this? Oh, I like that color. Alright, what's, okay, I like that. What's this? Wait, hold on a minute. Oh my goodness. That is the cutest one ever. Okay, that's my dog. That is it. That is the captain. Where's the captain? Alright, you ready to get started? Our goal is to take down the evil Cat King and give the dogs of Lupina their freedom back. You will never have your freedom. The kingdom of Lupina is no place for rebel scum. Enemies at the gates. It's time for your first quest, Captain. Okay, plus. Where's my cat? What about? I don't know what my captain looks like. Start quest, alright. Enter battle. No, why? But that's not what my cap. Oh, there it is. Doing battles helps finish quests faster. Tap on enemies to damage them, and tap on a hero's portrait to use their attacks when it's ready. Yeah. Ah, nice. That did a lot of damage to him. Return to camp. That was easy. Alright, quest word. Ready. That gave me, okay, that was nice. What is this? Ken, we got a new one. Oh wow, you got our first rebel hero. Laura, I've been here longer than you. Quiet, Ken, I'm teaching the captain how to run this thing. To make use of Ken, we must first upgrade our barracks. Barracks decide how many so we can send on quests. Upgrades. Let's go here again, and I want to upgrade. What can I upgrade? Okay, I can't upgrade anything. Upgrade to barracks level 2. Seems like you've got your paws on an ember. Embers are used to evolve your heroes and give them new skills. The barracks is where you can evolve your heroes. The amount of heroes your barracks can hold depends on your hero limit. You can change the name of your heroes if you like, and heroes set to visible will be running around camp. Evolve your heroes to get new outfits and unlock their traits and skills. Go to the barracks. Alright, so evolve. Let's evolve her. Let's evolve Laura. I like Laura. I'm gonna keep that name, hero evolved. And let's go to Ken. Evolve him. Oh wait. Oh, we don't have enough embers. Okay. Where's Ken? Oh, there he is. What can I upgrade? Oh, once made a watch and add to get gems. No, thank you. Okay. Sources evolve me. Alright, evolve heroes. You rebels and never learn, do you? No matter how many you are, you can never face the Olympian army. Soldiers, ready the catapults. Oh, that's stupid. Captain has been breathing down our necks for months now. We have to stop him. Yes, we do have to stop him. I forgot how to do that stuff. Okay, crossboard. Alright, we need someone with the sly skill for this quest. Which means Ken is the perfect dog for the job. Ken. Oh, but I want another one. Dang it. Alright. Seems I cannot go on this quest just yet. I need to level up first. Enter battle. Alright, now, do you see me, Captain, right there? It's just so cute how they do this stuff. Alright. Oh, did you see that? That's nice. Alright. Victory, return to camp. I actually like this game already. Training course. Great success. XP. A bunch of coins. Nice. And I've leveled up. Nice. Wait, new heroes are... Oh. Oh, that's cool. Alright, let's... Poppy. Aw, she's cute. Hey, let me out on this battlefield this instant. Feisty one, aren't you? I'm the great warrior Poppy, and I thrive only when I fight. Yeah, we'll find a quest for you. I want to upgrade my barrack. Let's evolve Ken. I don't think, no, that didn't evolve him. Okay. What's here? Alright, we should have enough to upgrade our barrack. Oh wait, no, don't go there. I'm forgetting how to do things already. Alright, go here. Go to upgrade. Let's upgrade our barrack. Now we don't have enough. Alright. Go here to customize. Let's see what our new customization is. Oh wait, but it's locked. Okay. Well, that's cute though, so I'll definitely do that before now or this one. Alright, I like my player as is. Alright, so let's go to here where it's telling me recruited. Tap it here to their entry and learn more about them. Continue. Alright. Poppy. If chopping things into tiny pieces is your problem, then Poppy is your gal. Ken. Ken is determined to finish the revelation. Then he can finally fulfill his dream of owning a hot spring treehouse. Oh, that's cute. All right, let's go here. Check. All right, let's go to the outfit. Tap to open the outfit box. Reward. Captain gear. Wait, was that? No way. Was that for us? This. We have this. That's cute, but I don't think I want that. I like the other one better. What's this? Oh! This is such a cute game. This is her weapon. Oh my goodness, dude. I am already loving this game. Alright, catapult, sabotage. Can. Start quest. Alright, also sneak the enemy lines to see what I can do about those catapults. Good luck, Ken. Enter battle. Oh, that did a lot of damage to him. Alright, come on. Keep going, keep going. We don't have much health left. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on, dude. Stop doing that. We make an attack on you. Alright, quest forward. Sabotage. Great success. Thank you, Ken, for all of these things. Panic sabotage again, but more will come. This isn't good. We need to fight back. We need to attack right away. An all-out puppy will not. Out attack will not work, Poppy. Maybe not an all-out attack, but what? What if we had catapults of our own? Poppy likes this idea. We need rebel on war machines. Okay, so to continue the story, we go there. Let's claim all this. What's this? Need to craft items and heroes. Okay. Go here, battle, craft. Okay. Boxes. Let's try and get another Yumi. Yumi. Alright. Hi, Yumi. Nice to meet you, Yumi. Claim reward. Claim. Ooh, now I got another ember. Delicious. Okay. Yumi. We can evolve Yumi. We evolved Kane already. Let's evolve Kane again. Now he looks a lot cooler. We can evolve him again, I think. No, we can't. Alright. Let's evolve Laura. Oh wait, I don't have enough. Okay. Let's evolve, what can I evolve? Let's evolve Poppy. Poppy, you look so cute. Can we evolve her? No, we can't. Alright, let's evolve Yumi. We can't evolve Yumi. Okay. Alright, let's... Oh man, alright, let's do first plan. Let's put Laura here. Let's put Kane here. Let's put Poppy there. Start quest. So how do we get our paws on war machines? Building them is an option, but not an advisable one. Nothing's ever advisable according to you, Ken. What do we do then? Tell us, Laura. Well, the enemy is getting closer by the day. We need to hit them where it hurts and drive them back before they can pinpoint the location of our base. What about the war machines? You mentioned war machines. Yes, we are stealing their catapults. Okay. This is so much easier now. Look at this. I can just tap. Oh wait, wave 1 of 1. Okay. Even though I wanted to see what Poppy did, I can get to. Like, quest board. What else is on the quest board? Great success. Nice. Stealing enemy catapults as your plan. You don't have to be so negative. I had a look through the scrying orb a few days ago and saw they kept reserve catapults in a small camp up north. So we raid their camp and take their stuff. Well, no, it's highly fortified and heavily guarded. So we need a diversion. And that's where Poppy comes in. Alright, that's the next story quest. Get too close and don't bite. What's here? Oh, to customize. Let's go to the barracks. And we could do something. Okay, not the barracks. Sorry, I'm getting a little confused. Alright, boxes. Yes, we can get another warrior. Ben. Oh, Ben looks so cute but scared. And we can get another thing. Another box. Let's get the rare. Alright, bye guys. That was such a good episode. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and please comment down below, and see you next time. Bye.